Here I have some fake Oppo smartphone and let me show you how to enter the boot mode on the following device. First of all, let's turn off our device by holding the power key and now tap power off and then OK. OK, when our device is completely turned off, let's hold the power key and the volume up at the same time. You need to release all the keys as soon as the boot mode appears, and here in the boot mode you need to navigate using the volume up button and choose options using the volume down button. We can for example enter the recovery mode, the fast boot mode, or return to normal Android. Let's do it. And now our device will turn on. Thank you for this video. Please subscribe to this channel and leave a like under the video.